Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Want to join online meetings, connect with friends and family, or attend virtual classes right from your computer? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Zoom app on your Windows PC. Whether you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. All right, let's take it step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Once your browser is open, go to the official Zoom website by typing zoom.com into the address bar and then press Enter. Another easy way to find it is to simply search for Zoom Download in your search engine and then open the official Zoom website from the results. Once the Zoom website loads, move your mouse to the top menu and look for the Meet option. Click on the Meet drop-down menu. From the list that appears, scroll down and you will see the last option called Download App. Go ahead and click on Download App, and this will take you directly to the Zoom download page. Now on this page, you will see different download options available. The first option is for 64-bit Windows systems. The second option is for 32-bit systems, and the third option is for ARM64 systems. However, it's important to note that Zoom has officially ended support for 32-bit Windows systems as of December 2025. So for most modern computers running Windows today, you will typically download the 64-bit version. So here, I'll simply click on Download 64-bit. Once you click the button, your browser will begin downloading the Zoom installer file. Also, one important thing to note here is that this installer is an offline installer, which means once you download it, you can install Zoom without needing to download additional files during the setup. Now wait for the download to complete. Once the download finishes, locate the downloaded file. Most of the time, you will find it inside your Downloads folder. But if your browser shows the downloaded file at the bottom of the screen, you can simply click on it directly from there to start the installation. Zoom installation is usually very fast and straightforward, so you won't need to go through many complicated steps. You may see a progress bar showing you that Zoom is being installed on your computer. Just wait a few seconds for the installation to finish, and once the installation is complete, the Zoom application should launch automatically. If it doesn't open automatically, don't worry. You can easily find the Zoom shortcut on your desktop, or simply open the Start menu and search for Zoom. From here, you can sign in to your Zoom account, join a meeting, or even create a new account if you're using Zoom for the first time. And for quick access in the future, you can also pin Zoom to your Start menu or your taskbar so that you can open it anytime with just one click. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Zoom app on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical Windows tutorials, helpful tech guides, and simple tips that make using your computer easier. And I'll see you in the next one.